Today Alves comes back into the lineup, and I'll be interested to see how this...
Do you think it's going to be a...
Yes, Barça has never lost playing on a Tuesday in the league, of course.
It's a day of the week. Okay, I mean, it doesn't, it's the day of the week.
Frustration with over the last few games and after the game against Betis as well. Yang, and he could have taken a shot, I believe. Great.
Fighting to avoid the drop, and they were in limit situations 2-3 years ago. And we
Champions League place is not yet wrapped up here. Betis.
Not a lot. Edge of the box, the shot by Pedri. Pedri Barça with the goal, creating some magic goal by Pedri. Just took his time there. Camp Nou erupted there.
That finishing was amazing from him. He received as if he was a right back, and from there he can go. In many occasions it's not a clean sport, like others that are played with the hands, especially with the feet.
Some final substitution for Barça. Dani Alves off, and Minguez is going to come. Right, so 1 minute of the 11 added on has been...